Chachi, what are you doing? We got this project to do.
It's 3 days overdue, Chachi. You've been doing nothing but play Minecraft songs for 3 days. Also, unrelated, but how did you get in my house?
Hey guys, it's Chachi. I'm here outside Chachi's Fanfics and Emporium, and today I'm going to show you what we did to our fan to make it better. It was already pretty good, so there wasn't much to improve on, but we did as much as we could.
Here you can see the original fan. Here it spins. Look at it spinning in various locations. Now it's super high up. Now it's in a bathroom. How did it get there? Who cares? Wow, that's pretty neat.
Your tea, sir.
Oh, why thank you. What flavor is this?
'Tis butts, sir.
It's remarkable. As you can see, your fan worked pretty well. However, we made it better.
The first step was to take it outside. Whoa, look, a new fan!
The first change we made was to the... the first change we made was to the structure of the fan.
As you can see, the old structure was about as stable as Kyle's parents' marriage. Not very. The whole thing was built up on 4 small points rather than one big sturdy one. So we changed it to this. Now the fan will be more stable.
The second thing that we changed was the gear ratio. What? Oh, the second thing that we changed was the gear ratio.
Your gears were set up like so. Large gear, medium gear, and small gear. The medium gear was limiting the mechanical advantage of the gear train. We removed this awkward middle gear and were left with just the large gear and the small gear.
Finally, we reworked your fan blades.
While the old blades were pretty good, we thought we could do better. We reworked them so that there were more of them, and they were smaller. This put less strain on the motor while creating more wind flow. Here's the fan's blowing power before we made the change.
As you can see, this fan is weak sauce.
And here it is afterwards. Look at it go. Strong like Mother Russia.
So that's what we changed about your fan.